To recover a deactivated account, start by going to the Help Center. Open Google Chrome and type in the search box to find the Help Center. From the search results, select the correct option and navigate to the relevant page, which displays various articles, including those on verified accounts, changing email addresses, and reactivating accounts. Click on the Reactivate Account option. Then wait for the page to load. Once loaded, locate the live chat option at the lower right corner of the screen and click on it. You will be prompted to log in, but since your account is deactivated, you won't be able to do so. Instead, proceed with the live chat, stating your reason for contacting support, which is to recover your account. You will then be sent an account reactivation form to fill out. Complete the form, wait for a response, and follow the provided instructions to recover your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your account quickly and easily.